Business analysts are the bridge between business and technology, capturing requirements, defining solutions, and driving change. But in today's fast-moving world, traditional methods aren't enough. AI is transforming how BAs work, making requirement gathering, stakeholder analysis, and decision-making faster and more efficient. With AI, you can manage stakeholder interviews, facilitate meetings, and perform several other tasks more efficiently so that you can focus on more strategic tasks. Introducing the AI Certification for Business Analysts, a practical course designed to equip you with AI skills tailored for real-world BA tasks. Learn how AI can enhance your elicitation techniques, documentation process, and stakeholder collaboration. No coding required, just powerful AI-driven tools for BAs. From traditional analysis to AI-powered business analysis, stay ahead, stay relevant. Don't get left behind. Master AI in business analysis. Enroll today.